A very good morning, students. So today we start a new chapter, that is metallurgy. In this chapter metallurgy, we study the extraction of metals from different types of rocks and the other substances. Okay, and we simply said that we can extract metals from their minerals. Now, after listening this word mineral, you need to understand what is the meaning of mineral. So, minerals are the naturally occurring compounds of metals mixed with earthly materials are called minerals. As you know, our metals, all the elements present in the periodic table, they are always present in our earth, they are always present in our nature. So, in the case of metals, metals are formed in the combined state with some of the compounds and with some of the other elements, other atoms. That's what we are saying them as in compounds. Metal forms are mixed compounds with some of the other impurities present, that is our soil, sand particles, mud, silica, limestone and rock. समझ रहे हो आप इस बात को यहाँ पे कि जो आपके मिनरल्स हैं दे आर नेचुरली अकरिंग compounds of metals that are present in our earth crust, and if that compound is present in our earth crust, it means with that compound some of the earthly materials is also present. That earthly material is also present there, and these are the earthly materials means that some of the soil particles, some of the sand particles, some of the mud particles, silica, limestone and rocks may be present. And if I talk you about for the examples of the limestone, for examples of our minerals, so for iron material, red hematite is there, its formula is Fe2O3. For another mineral of the our iron is brown hematite, that is Fe2O3.2H2O. Here 2H2O molecule is also present with the Fe2O3 compound. Right, for zinc, its mineral name is zinc blende, that is ZnS formula, and second is calamine with the formula of ZnCO3. The second one is our calamine with a formula of ZnCO3. It's the formula of ZnCO3 are containing. Now next for aluminium, it is first one is the bauxite. We have the bauxite one here. Now in the case of aluminium, bauxite Al2O3.2H2O, cryolite Na3AlF6, this is the formula of cryolite. Corundum, it is Al2O3. You understand, these all these are the formulas, and these are the formulas and these are the names of some of the minerals, that is for the iron, zinc and aluminium. Listen, in our syllabus only the minerals and the ores of iron, zinc and aluminium is included. Rest of the metal minerals are not in our ICSE board syllabus. So please understand this thing. Now coming on to the second thing, that is ores. What are the ores presented? What are the ores here? Ores are a mineral. A ore is a mineral from which a metal can be extracted on a commercial scale at a very lower cost and with minimum efforts to get a economically benefit from that metal extraction. For example के लिए इन केस हम लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि आप लोगों ने एक्सट्रैक्शन के लिए जो भी आपका प्रोसेस लग रहा है फॉर दैट मेटल, दैट इज ऑफ अ कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 lakh, बट द मेटल एक्सट्रैक्टेड is sold out at a price of 15,000. So it means there is a loss of 50,000 occurs to you. So we are extracting metals for the economic benefit of ourselves. So at that ore from which a metal extracted for the economic benefit, and that metal gives you economically benefit and with your minimum efforts, that mineral is called as an ore. That mineral is called as ore. So only ore is a mineral from which a metal is extracted on a commercial scale at a very lower cost and with your minimum efforts to get maximum benefits from that selling or sold out of that metal or from that metal extraction, that is called as an ore. So ores, all our ores are a type of mineral from which a metal is extracted for our benefit. For example, if I talk about ores of aluminium, bauxite, from bauxite aluminium metal is extracted and that extraction gives you the benefit. Cryolite and corundum, these are specially the ores of aluminium. So specifically in our syllabus, aluminium, zinc and iron ores are only present, rest ores are not in your syllabus. For secondly, that is the ores of iron. Red hematite is the ore of your iron. Brown hematite Fe2O3.2H2O. Magnetite Fe3O4. Iron pyrites are there, FeS2. Iron siderites are there, that is FeCO3 is the formula for the iron siderites. Understand this thing. Some ores of zinc metal are also present. That is, the first one is zinc blende, ZnS. Second is zincoside, ZnO. Third one is the calamine, ZnCO3. Right? This is the type of ore present for aluminium, iron and zinc only. Now coming to the next definition of the syllabus, like gangue. What are the gangue present? So we say in the definition of mineral that they are the naturally occurring compounds of metal, and with that naturally occurring compounds of metal, some earthly particle, unwanted earthly particles are present, some unwanted earthly material are present, that is your somehow mud, silica, sand, soil particles are present. So all those soil particles, road particles, mud particles, they all are called as gangue. So its definition says that the unwanted earthly material present in an ore is called your gangue. That is your gangue present. Understand this thing? Now there are some pictures of your ores. Like first one regulates, first we will show you how the structure of bauxite or what is the rock of bauxite looks like. So this is your bauxite. Now the second picture will show you zinc blende. This is the structure of zinc blende. This is the color of zinc blende. This is the rock, how it looks like in the case of zinc blende. Now in the third case, you are seeing there about the iron pyrite. This is the case of iron pyrite here. This is the looking of iron pyrites. All are present in the form of rocks only. They are present in the form of rocks only. Okay. Now there are some questions. That is, first question is distinguish between an ore and a mineral. Now you are able to distinguish what is an ore and what is a mineral. So mineral are the earthly particles, compounds or the metal present with some earthly impurities with them, and ores are the minerals from which we can extract metal for our benefit, for the economically our benefit. They or are the mineral are called ores, right? This is the one. Okay, which metal can be extracted from one of the following ores? Bauxite, which metal is extracted from the bauxite? That is aluminium. Calamine, which metal is extracted from the calamine? That is aluminium. And which metal is extracted from the hematite? You can answer the iron is this. Okay, right? Explain the following term, what is ore and what is gangue. Now you are able to answer all these questions from the above methods. Understand this thing? Yes, there is some reduction in this chapter. There is some reduction in the syllabus of this chapter. So we will discuss that reduction also. So we are doing the topics only which are included in our syllabus. Okay. See you there with the next video, with the next lecture. Okay, understand this thing. I hope this is clear to you all. What are the iron pyrites and the rest of the things present there, bauxite, and what is the meaning of a mineral, what is the meaning of a ore, and what the bauxite and the rest of the things means to you. Please learn all the formulas of the minerals and ores given in this video. Please learn them. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.